Hi everyone, this is Stefano Spattini, Senior Product Manager at Biamp. Here at the Biamp booth at the InfoComm 2025, we're introducing a new product, the EasyConnect MPX 250, which is the new version of the MPX 200. The MPX 250 is a solution for providing wired connectivity to a BYOM use case. So when you, with your laptop, want to connect the room display and receive the stream from the camera, you just have to plug a single USB-C cable. Your laptop will be charged, you will receive the internet, and you will be able to share your contents. Up to 4 laptops can be connected and receive the power, and then switch from one to the other using the simple touchpad control. New features will be added on the top of the old version. We can manage 2 displays. We can have more than 1 unit connected, so up to 4 connected can be daisy-chained, so having up to 16 participants connected. And we can extend the range from the table to the room equipment using the MPX 250 E3 kit. And that's all. The website is Biamp, www.biamp.com.